Right, sa isang tanong na bakit yung mga mayayaman lalong yumayaman, di ba? Ang dami niya yung tanong eh. At siyempre, meron ding opposite na tanong yan. Bakit yung mga mahihirap lalong umihirap o hindi nag-improve ang buhay, okay? And yung mga mayayaman naman, habang lumilipas ang panahon, lalo silang yumayaman. So, yan pag-aaralan natin kasi meron sila isang sikreto, okay? So, magkape ulit tayo mga G-Libers. So, isang tanghali ngayon na huwag na natin alamin ng araw kung anong araw ngayon. So, you just drink your coffee, set a goal. So, yun muna. Yun muna ang ginagawa natin ngayon, alright? Okay, so, one secret ng mga rich people, bakit sila payaman ng payaman. Alam nyo, they specialize on one thing. Isa yung inaaral nila. And they are improving this every day. This is their goal. This is their target. Alright? So, if you'll be going to imagine one rich people ngayon, so imagine tayo, isang taong mayaman, okay? So, marami ako na-imagine eh. Yung closest na lang sa atin, diyan na lang sa malapit sa atin, kamag-anak natin, o nakikita natin, di ba lalo silang yumayaman? Okay? Because they work on this. Okay? So, these are, ito ang tinatawag nating soft or essential skills. Alright? So, they work on that. Not on technical skill. Okay? So, kaya diba nga, yung mga mayayaman, hindi naman sila marunong gumawa ng website. Pero mayaman sila. Diba? Hindi sila marunong magawa ng promotional video. Diba? Pero, mayaman sila. Hindi sila alam kung paano mag-design ng ganito, mag-decorate. Pero mayaman sila. Okay? Because they don't mind technical skills. Right? So, yung mga technical skills, ito yung ginagamit ng mga kamay natin, mayroon tayong ginagawa. So, it's technical, IT, technical. So, it's technology. So, those are examples of technical, okay? So, they don't work on that. They don't mind that. What they are doing, saan sila nagpo-focus, is ang tinatawag nating soft skills or essential skills. Dalawa po kasi yan. Isang hard skill, that's mainly technology or other things na ginagawa natin, and yung soft skill or essential skill. Diyan sila nagpo-focus. Okay? So, meron bang sa technical skill? Okay? So, kanina I look at the definition of soft skill is basically interpersonal. Okay? So, it's their relationship with other people. Ini-improve nila yon. Diba? Paano sila harap sa mga tauhan nila? Paano sila makikipag-meeting? And they even rehearse kung ano yung sasabihin nila sa magiging business partner nila. So, it's basically interpersonal skill. Bago sila makipag-usap sa mga business partner nila, hindi naman nila, tingin nila, maganda may pagkakakulay ko nitong office ko, pagkakagawa ko ng videos, they don't mind that, okay? So, iniisip nila, okay, what is my first word dito sa aking magiging business partner? It's interpersonal, right? So, second, when you say soft skill, it's about having emotional maturity. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag nating EQ. Okay? So, kasama yan sa inaaral nila. So, yung mga mayayaman, hindi yan mababa ang emotional stability. Very stable yan. Kaya nga walang mayaman na masyadong maramdamin eh. Napansin nyo? Walang mayaman na nagdamdam, di ba? They lock themselves sa room nila. Wala na. Ayaw na nila gumalaw. Walang ganun. Wala ding mayaman na iyakin. Well, of course, yung mga may ibang exemption dito ha. Pero basically, mataas ang EQ nila. Then that's soft skill. Naaaral din nila yan. Naaaral nila na tumanggap ng mga masasakit na salita at baliwalain lang. Okay? Na hindi na sila naapektuhan yan. Yan ay mga mayayaman. Di ba? Kahit anong sabihin mo sa Facebook, paringgan mo sila. Di ba? Well, siyempre, masakit din yun sa kanila. Pero, it's maturity that tells them to don't mind those things. And that's essential skill. And that's soft skill na tinatawag natin. Okay? And another characteristic of soft skill is, well, sinabi natin kanina, interpersonal. Because they work on people relationship. It's more on people relationship. Kaya mas marami pang mayaman na mabati eh. Di ba? Mahilig makipagkwentuhan, makipag-usap. Napansin nyo ba? Yung mga mahirap, well, of course, marami din naman sociable na mahihirap or middle class. Pero yung mga mayayaman, they love people. Kasi iba yung tingin nila sa tao. Okay? Tinitingnan nila tayo as solution sa problema nila. Tinitingnan nila yung tao as opportunity. And tinitingnan nila, paano kita mabibigyan ng solution? Or paano kita matutulungan sa problem mo? And that can be my business. Something like that. Okay? So, they work on soft skill. And ano ba yung example ng mga soft skills? Okay? There are different types of soft skills. Okay? So, magkapi ulit tayo. Iba na yung topic natin ngayon. Medyo ano na tayo, pang level na ng mga leadership management na tayo. By the way, sa gusto magpa-coach sa atin or business consultation online, pwede po tayo. 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page. And available na rin po ang ating tawag dito, e-course. Okay? How to start your scalable business. Okay, so ano ba yung mga examples na mga soft skills? So, number 1, siyempre, ito. Unang-una natin yan, communication. Communication skill. There are different types of spatial skills. Kanina I checked din, there are 5 types. Pero pag-usapan na lang natin, 2 types of communication skills na ini-improve ng mga mayayaman. Okay? So, number 1 is the non-verbal. Ini-improve din nila yan. Yung mga galaw nila, yung smile. Di ba may mga namimit tayo yung, iba yung charisma? Yung smile nila. And that's actually one of the reasons. I watched one of the parang interview kay Simon Sinek. Then sabi nung isang nagbigay ng mga characteristics ni Simon Sinek is very charming si Simon Sinek. And ang worth ni, I think it's $150 million or something, 15 or $150 million, so something like that, 2017. So, if you don't know Simon Sinek, he's the author of You Should Start With Your Why. So, something like that. Yung The Golden Circle. So, siya yung proponent nun, The Golden Circle. Okay? So, isa daw sa mga characteristics niya, mas lalo siyang yumayaman, yung charisma niya. Yung smile. Yung how to face people. Yun ang inaaral ng mga mayaman. Diba? Kaya nga, smile sila eh. Diba? Warm ang kanilang pagtanggap sa lahat ng mga tao. This past few months, ang dami natin na nako-consult. And personal, lagi tayong lumuluwas. Pag nakita ko yung mayaman, iba yung aura eh. Iba yung iba yung smile nila eh. Yeah. Alam mo yun? So, dapat aralin din natin. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi wala silang emotional baggage. Wala silang dalang galit. Wala silang dalang sama ng loob. Wala silang sensitivity na nararamdaman. Minsan kasi yung emotion natin, it blocks our success. Okay? So, yung mga mayaman, hindi ganon. So, yung non-verbal communication nila, ini-improve nila, pati galaw ng kamay. May mga trainer pa yung iba niyan. Okay? Alright, so, another communication skill na ini-improve ng mga mayaman, inaaral nila, is the oral communication skill. Okay? So, it is how they talk. The communication per se. They applied the rule of ABC. Sabi nga ni Pastor Abanes, ABC. Pagka nagsasalita ka, ABC lang. Audible, brief, and concise. Okay? And clear. So, yan lang karakteristik. Ayan, meron sila dyan. Pag nagsalita sila, yung audible, alam mong naririnig ng group, and alam mong may conviction. Yung isa pa, pag may ibang tao nagsalita, kahit maganda idea, pagka walang conviction sa pagsalita niya, hindi siya pinapansin. Pansin yun sa group. Pero pag yung tao, okay? Pag yung tao may conviction ang sinasabi niya, okay? We listen. So that's conviction in the oral communication. And it's only brief. Sabihin mo what's concise eh. Concise. Ibig sabihin kung anong dapat mo sabihin mo. Kasi nga mature silang tao, hindi na nila iisip, madamdamin to. Wala silang ganon. When they talk, pagka nasa middle ka ng mga mayayaman tao, alam mo, madalas napapagitnaan ako ng mga mayayaman sa mga meetings na natin. So, nakikita ko language nila. Very straightforward. Okay? And they are happy hearing those things. Sabi nila, it will not work. So, wala. Walang nagdaramdam. Diba? That idea, I don't buy that idea. So, wala nang nagdamdam. So, ibig sabihin, that's communication and their emotion. Okay? So, learn how to communicate with different types of people, okay? Alright? So, and learn how to smile, okay? So, the more na nag-smile ka, the more na yayaman ka, believe me, okay? And second is problem solving. Okay? They know how to solve problem. Okay? They observe, they listen. They have their team. Okay? Someone is telling them na, sir, ma'am, ito po yung mangyayari. And then, they know the art of negotiation. That's problem solving kasi. When you solve problem, you are negotiating to people. Oh, ito ang gagawin natin. And there is a strategy. When rich people negotiate, this is the rule. They don't accept the first offer. So, pwede natin gawin sa buhay natin yan. Do not accept the first offer. Okay? Learn the art of negotiating. Okay? Sabi nga nila when you negotiate, okay? So, you ask for the sun. Okay? Para pag hindi binigay yung sun, at least you will fall on the stars. Diba? So, learn the art of negotiation. Kasi when you solve problem, hindi pwede hindi ka mag-negotiate. So, alam nila ang process ng problem solving. Alright? Alam nila mag-solve ng problem. Hindi nila iniiwanan yung problema, sinosolve nila. Kaya sila yung mayaman. Okay? Bago sila umuwi, bago sila matulog, bago sila magbakasyon, sinolve muna nila yung problem. Right? And of course, when they solve problem, they make decisions. Right? They make decisions. Sabi ni Rick Warren, in one of his book, okay, so hindi ko na alam, sa dami ng mga nabasa natin kay Rick Warren, ang sabi niya ganito, as a leader and as a rich people, do not make wrong decisions. Better delay your decisions, but make the right decisions. Kasi di ba may mali tayong naririnig eh. Ako din, mali ako dito before eh. Like ko iniisip na, at least nag-decide ka, so you decide. Mali pala yon. Delay the decision, but work on the right decision. Hindi pala yung mali. Kahit ma-delay ka na, basta nasa tamang decision ka. They cannot afford one mistake, the rich people. That's why they are getting richer. Okay? And they decide. They have that guts, the courage to decide. Okay? And minsan may mga mali silang may kakaiba silang mga panuntunan when they are deciding. Di ba? When they are making decisions. Minsan ganito. Halimbawa, di ba minsan sa office makita natin, merong isa tayong parang problematic o siya nagiging cause ng problem, pero bakit hindi siya pina-fire ng may-ari? Dapat tanggalin na siya. Di ba minsan naisip natin, dapat nga wala na siya. Tapos na-promote pa. Di ba ganun minsan attitude natin? Kasi merong decision. Okay? Nagdi-decide sila. Na tatanggalin ko ba to o re-retain ko? Ipopromote ko? Hindi ko ipopromote. Kasi meron silang nakikita na hindi natin nakikita o hindi nakikita ng mga ordinary empleyado. That is yung tao na yon kasi meron siyang potential. Meron siyang special skill na hindi mo makukuha. Kung meron ka mga 100 empleyado, pag sama-samahin nyo man kayo, yung skill, yung kaya niyang gawin, hindi nyo kayang gawin. So, ba't siya let go ng may-ari? Something like that. So, iba tingin nila. I mean, sa school namin, sa Asia Pacific College of Advanced Studies, like yung sinasabi sa mga kausap natin. Sabi ko kasi, our president sees things na hindi natin nakikita because she's the owner. Okay? Kasi ganun silang tumingin. Meron silang nakikita, hindi natin nakikita. That's why they are rich, right? Okay, so, what else? Aside from, okay, so they solve problem. Yeah, they have, kapampangan po tayo. Dito na tayo, para makita nyo po. Number 4. Work ethics. Alright, so there are examples of this. Pero I just want to work on dependability. Okay? So, yung dependability index nila, mataas. The rich people. Ano ba yung dependability? Ito yung when you say you will do it, you will do it. Kaya kahit pagod na sila, kahit hirap sila, they will deliver that. They will go to that occasion. They will deliver their speech. Ganun yung mga mayayaman. Pag sinabi nila, I will go there, I will go there. Pag sinabi nila, I will finish this, I will finish it. Kaya nga ang policy nila ganito eh. Do not stop when you're tired. Stop only when you're done. Sila yun. Sila yung mga yumayaman. Okay? That's work ethics. Dependability. Being professional. have your commitment. Deliver what you have committed. Meron sila nun. Sila yung mga mayayaman. Alright? Okay, so, what else? Yan, so madami, pero last na natin to. Okay, so, leadership. Leadership. Ang mga mayayaman, leader yan eh. Alam niyo kung bakit maraming sumusunod sa kanila? Okay? This is their secret. Kaya maraming sumusunod sa mga mayayaman and they master this, the art of this. Okay? The art of leadership is they prioritize kung ano yung needs mo. Tinitingnan nila yon. They are providing what's your needs. Nagiging flexible sila kung ano yung kailangan mo. And that's leadership. Kaya marami sumusunod sa kanila eh. Kasi alam nila, well, yung welfare namin, ginagawa niya eh. Diba? Pinagkakapi niya muna tayo eh. Diba? Ganun mga leaders. Huli siyang kumakain. Diba? Sabi nga, the leader eats last. That's leadership. Okay? So, kasi sige, kayo muna. Minom muna kayo kung may matira, ako na lang. It's prioritizing the needs of your followers or your subordinates. Kaya mas lalo silang yumayaman. And that's leadership. And that's being a leader. Alright? And marami pang traits or soft skill ang mga mayayaman. Okay? Itong pinag-usapan natin, these are basically pang-entrepreneur. Pero pwede nating apply sa personal nating buhay. So, have the right communication skill. Diba? So, alam mo paano makipag-usap sa tao. Alam mo paano makipag-negotiate. Solve your problems. Diba? Make decision. The right decision. You cannot afford one mistake. Kasi pag mayaman ka, nagkamali ka, bababa ka uli. Ang hirap makabangon. Well, lagi natin sinasabi, bangon, dapa, baba, bangon, pero mahirap. It takes a lot of time and effort to do it again. That's the truth. That's the reality. So you cannot afford one mistake in your life. Okay? Alright, so and then work ethics, dependability index, dagdagan natin. Okay? And leadership. Be a leader. Okay? So, if you want to be coached by me, okay? Doc, tulungan mo ko. I want to do these things. Gusto ko ma-improve ang soft skill ko. Just message me. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat may bigay natin. Kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayo mabago tumula dating buhay. Thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah? Let's go, let's go.